Hi, my name's Matt and I run the team behind Fontio. We're actually a company called Buy Simply. We have another app called Delivery Estimation, which puts a little widget on your store that will, on your product page, that will give customers, reduce their anxiety as to when their products will get delivered. So you can compete with Amazon. But we're here to talk about Fontio. Shopify told me that I couldn't do too much time as a screencast video, and so there was a better video than this. But I'm now doing a new video to introduce you to the person behind the emails. We have a team of developers around the world. I typically handle most of the customer service requests. So if something goes wrong, when it very rarely goes wrong, where you want to do something super niche custom, you're talking to me. Hi, it's a lovely face. And we try and keep the best service standards possible. That means working on weekends. That means also paying developers lots of money to fix tiny issues for customers that have never paid for the app. So Fontio is free. It really is the simplest way to set up Google fonts and custom fonts on your store. We're constantly developing new features. We have a new one coming out soon, so you can set and manage all of your fonts on the different themes, so draft themes, not live themes, and vice versa. And yeah, I think that's pretty self-explanatory. It's simple. You shouldn't have to touch code to add cool fonts to your store, and your fonts on your store, no matter how large, should always be reliably deploying. We do that. Customer service team is based in America. We all naturally born speaking fully English, so I hope you enjoy that. Otherwise, reach out and let me know how you do. What I'm going to do is run through a quick, tiny video of setting up Fontio right after me finish talking here. And I'll just show you just how simple it is to use our wonderful app. Thanks. All right, super quick run through of how Fontio works. So this is a new demo store, just set it up. No fonts applied, anything like that. Got to quickly jump and add apps in the App Store. You want to look for Fontio, easy font changer. Click add the app. Install the app. Cool, in the dashboard, real simple. Here's how it works. I want to select all of these wonderful tags. These are my different heading tags. I'm going to apply the same Google font to them all. I have no idea what it is. Probably something terrible. Let's make it metallic so it's really obvious. Also default size. And click save. Now I can see it's applied. Ding, 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 ding. Run back to this door. Press refresh. There you go. Applied. Easy peasy. Couldn't have been easier. Never touched code. Fontio.